Hello guys, Silver Viking here, and today we have a $5, what is it, Canadian Mint from ApeMax. It's actually a present from my boss actually. 99999, the finest silver. Elizabeth, $5, DG Regina. And I'm not gonna unbox this one. It's the only one I have in the original package. I'm not sure if I open it, yeah, I think I will break the untouched part, I think. So I'm not gonna do that. But it is a Canadian wolf, and this is basically I started 2 years ago, starting to collect silver, and this is one I did miss in the collection, so this was a really nice present. And now I have, I think, 4 or 5 different ones of this. I kind of like the animals, and the Canadian Mint looks really good. And yeah, it's a nice pattern on them. Very happy with this one. And I'm gonna do the magnetist. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Yeah, it kind of does, but it's not like the bars, which is obvious, but sure, it does work. And it does say, I can't see with my own eye actually, what it says on the leaf. Wow, that is really small. Holy shit. Yeah, I can't see it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a money or a number or not. Maybe it's fake. Who knows? I can't trust my boss, right? Still though, a cool coin. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.